So, this is the Karen Tumi backpack. Pwede siya initial. So, yung client ko nagpa-initial siya. Meron siyang dalawang zip. And then, dito. And meron dyan zipper. So, inside, meron siyang zipper, open pocket, and 2 open pocket dito. And then, sa next, meron siyang for laptop. So, pwedeng fit yung up to 15 inches laptop kasi yung dimensions niya is laptop dimension 16.75 by 11. So, pwede. So, this is 17 by 25. So, this is 17 by 12. So, yan po. Kung gusto nyo ng laptop na makafit sa 15 inches. So, marami po siya. So, meron siyang zipper for backpack, for laptop compartment, and then dito. So, yan po siya. Dito, pwede mo and then, so, maganda rin siya pang travel. This is a Karen backpack.